Okay, this is doing holes on an angled plate and maintaining a clearance value all in the same operation. Turn on my tools and my cam. We got a 1/4 inch drill, and we're going to go ahead and create a hole process for these holes. The first thing I'm going to do is go to Feature Manager, Features, I'm sorry, Hole Manager. In Hole Manager, I'm going to go ahead and hold down the Shift key, drag a dotted box around all of the geometry points that I want to drill, and I'm going to say create a hole management from this geometry. Go ahead and list all those points here in the spreadsheet. I'll select the first one, say Control A and select the whole list. And then I'm going to come down here and say make a group. Make the group of 50 holes that are all alike. I'm going to highlight that group. And I'm going to go ahead and create a machine process. Drag and drop my holes tile. Drag and drop my tool onto my holes tile. And start developing the operation. So the first thing I'm going to do is when I come in here, I'm going to hit this Load H1 button. It actually loads the value for the hole from the hole manager. I'm going to come over here to hole feature. I'm going to set this to face hole from hole feature. I'm also going to click this Load H1 button, which will also load the geometric values for the geometry on the screen. In here, I'm going to put in the incremental clearance that I want, which is 100,000 from each hole. I'm going to go back to drill, and if I say do it at this point, we bring the drill point to each one of those points. Well, we actually wanted to drill this to some depth, not just touch the point with the drill tip. So here in this field, I'm going to calculate what depth I want it to go. Let's say I wanted the body of the drill to go an inch deeper. I'm just going to say -1 inch. Tab out of that field and it will update. Say redo. And we've drilled all those holes at an inch deep, maintaining the same clearance plane. Let me close this. Actually, one more correction here. I'm going to open this up, and we actually wanted to do a peck chip break, let's say, 1/4 inch depth of cut on each peck, and we'll say redo it. Won't see much difference in the actual path, but we will in the rendering. Now, if I click on cut part render, you can see it's pecking, chip breaking. Pulls out of the hole by 100,000, moves up to the next hole. Peck, 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 on through. Speed this up. Okay, and I hope that little demonstration was helpful. Thanks, everybody.